Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to file tax in QuickBooks. First, gather all your essential documents, such as your Form 16, bank statements, and investment proofs. Next, create your QuickBooks account or log in if you already have one. You will then select the relevant assessment year to start your tax return. This initial step is crucial for a smooth and accurate filing experience, setting the foundation for the entire process. Once you've set up your return, it's time to enter your income details. Carefully input your salary, income from house property, and any business or professional income. Don't forget to claim all eligible deductions under various sections, like Section 80C for investments and Section 80D for health insurance. Accurately reporting these figures ensures you maximize your tax savings and comply with regulations. After entering all your income and deductions, the next critical step is to thoroughly review your entire tax return. Double-check every figure to ensure accuracy and completeness. Once satisfied, proceed to e-verify your return, which can be done easily using your Aadhaar OTP or net banking. If there's any tax due, you can conveniently pay it directly through the QuickBooks platform, completing your filing process. Congratulations, you've successfully filed your taxes. After submission, remember to download and save your acknowledgement receipt, which is proof of your filing. It's also wise to keep all your supporting documents organized for at least 6 years, as required by tax authorities. Should you have any further questions or need assistance, QuickBooks support resources are readily available to help you navigate any post-filing queries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.